ki khubor ka batisi TV lawan ra shapi da ka Orange Nissan Loomso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Kakinhon Menteri Jongka Sorkar Jilla haga artari gubernur rempang arcar arpuar kalawan ra katto katni ki jing Pynbeit Thymmai hapo Megalia Agriculture Produce and Livestock Marketing Facilitation Act arajar arpo. Menteri Rangba Jongka Jilla Konrad Sangma haga jing yakren matkilat pathai kubor uriat ho baga jing Pynbeit Thymmai kalong bakino kino ki bapin kenya gani ka ain kinam sha set along henrei kin hab ban seo tang ye ka bai sha dan kuna.
Meghalaya Agriculture Produce and Livestock Marketing Promotion Facilitation Act 2020 was a very minor one, where for minor offences, instead of going for imprisonment, only monetary fines would be made. So the small amendment was made in that, and in the annexure to the Act, all the products that are allowed to be marketed within the state, the list of those products were added to this. That small amendment was made.